Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Escape without a key. Losing your key or having a dead key fob battery can be frustrating, but there are emergency steps you can take. We will cover gaining entry to your vehicle and then the specific process for starting the engine, even when your key fob isn't fully operational. This guide will help you get back on the road quickly and safely. First, let's get you inside your Escape. Most Ford key fobs have a small, hidden mechanical key blade. You can release this by pressing a small button on the fob. Once removed, insert this physical key into the driver's door lock cylinder and turn it to unlock the door. If your Escape has a door-mounted keypad, you can also enter your 5-digit personal or factory code to gain entry. Now, to start the engine. If your Ford Escape has a push-button start and your key fob battery is dead, you'll need to use a backup method. Locate the designated key fob slot, which is typically found in the center console storage compartment or sometimes on the right side of the steering column. Place your key fob directly into this slot, press the brake pedal firmly, and then push the engine start button as you normally would. After successfully starting your Escape, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. A fresh battery ensures reliable operation and prevents future emergencies. For added convenience, if your vehicle is equipped, the Ford Pass app allows you to remotely start your car using your smartphone. Finally, always consider keeping a fully functional spare key fob in a safe place for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.